Hello. Now electric field due to a charge ring. Take a ring whose diameter is this and radius is A. Draw normal to this diameter and charge this ring with plus Q. Now take a small distance dl and its charge is dq, small charge. Radius A. Now take a point P at x distance. Join this direction of electric field. Direction of electric field will be D. Similarly, take same distance dl and charge dq. This also join with P. This is electric field dE. Both electric fields are same. Taking the component of in this direction, if this angle is theta, this also theta, theta, this they are vertically opposite angle. This is equal to dE sine theta and this also is dE sine theta. And in this direction they are dE cos theta, dE cos theta. Now, line charge density lambda, this is equal to charge upon length. L is the length, that is circumference of the ring. Now we can write down dq upon dl. Small charge, small distance. Now dq is equal to q upon L into dl. Now taking cos theta, this angle is theta, cos theta base upon hypotenuse. If hypotenuse r, this is equal to x square plus a square under root. So r is equal to x square plus a square under root. So this is equal to x upon r. This is equal to x upon under root x square plus a square. Now electric field dE cos theta. Net electric field E is equal to integration dE cos theta. dE electric field is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught and this is equal to Q charge dl length upon this is equal to r square. We can write down in this place is equal to, no, you write down like this, this is equal to dl and cos theta also here. dl is equal to L. Now 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square, we can put this x square plus x square plus a square, and length is equal to 2 pi a. D we can put out 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and Q dl upon 2 pi a, this 2 pi a upon x square plus a square. Now putting the value of cos theta is equal to x upon under root x square plus a square. Now electric field E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught now taking integration dl. This will be qx 2 pi a x square plus a square whole 3 by 2, 1 power and half power, and dl is equal to L. In place of L we can write down 2 pi a. This 2 pi a will cancel. Now electric field E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught qx upon x square plus a square whole 3 by 2. This is the net electric field on a charge ring. Now, if this point P be at O center of this circle, then x is equal to 0. Now in this case x is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. Then electric field is equal to 0. This will be 0 and this 0. If you multiply with any number with 0, the whole thing will be 0. Means electric field at the center will be 0. Now in second case, if x is very greater than a radius, if this point is far away, comparing this, a is very less than x. In this case, now we put this, neglect a is equal to 0, so electric field E will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, or this qx upon this is 0, this will cancel, x cube. Now this will cancel, become 2. Now electric field will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon x square. This ring be treated as a point. The electric field at a point on a point charge will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon x square. All of you understand?